Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video of this channel. Today we will be solving a problem which is the reverse prefix of word, LEETCODE 2000 problem. Let's see the problem statement. Problem is saying that we have given a zero index string word and a character ch. Reverse the segment of the word that start at index 0 and end at index of the first occurrence of the character. If the character ch doesn't exist in word, do nothing. Okay, for example, if word equals to this and character equals to this, so let's see the character where it is. So here D is here and here, but we have to take first character, first occurrence of that character. So first occurrence is A, B, C, D, this character. So what we have to do is we will simply reverse this string A, B, C, D up to D. Then you should reverse the segment of the starts at zero index and ends at third index. So it will be after reversing it will be like D, what it will be, DCBA and EFD will remain same. So that will be our question. So let's see the example. So bird is this ABCDEFD and character equals to D. You have seen this example also. This is the same example as this. If bird is x by x, z x e, and character equals to z. So firstly you have to see like if this character is present or not. If this character is not present, then we will do nothing. Simply return the string. If character is present, let's see character is present or not. X y x z. Yeah, character is present. So up to z, I have to reverse the string. So after reversing, string will be like z x, sorry, zx by x, zx by x, because we are reversing this segment of the string. x by xz को रिवर्स करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा zx by x and xe will remain same. So that will be our question. So what we can do is firstly we are checking like this character is present in this string word or not, in this string or not. So firstly we have to check like uh, char ch, or we can say we are checking the character. So int check equals to bird dot find of ch. This will tell me that if the character is present or not. Now I have to check if check is not equal to -1. It means character is present in this string. So so what I've done is we are checking the character if that character is present in this bird string or not. Int check equals to bird dot find of check. See character. If that character is present, it means it is not equal to -1. So that's why we are checking like if check is not equal to -1, it will tell me like character is present in this string. Like if D is here character and D is present in this string, so it means check is not equal to -1. In that case, what I can do is I can reverse the string up to that index. I have to reverse a segment of the string. So what we I can do is I can reverse this like bird dot begin, comma word dot begin plus check. Check is a index because it will be an index, and you can see here indexing is starting from 0. So that's why we have to add +1 also. So this will reverse the segment of the string like ABCD is there. So we have to reverse this ABCD, and after ABCD, after reversing the ABCD, we have to concatenate it, reverse the remaining string. So remaining string will be EFD will remain same, and this ABCD will be reversing like DCABA like this. And after this, we will return our word string, which is a string. So now let's run and see. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. As you can see here, it is taking 0 millisecond time complexity and better than 100% of C++ users, because here you can see we are not taking any space. We are just finding out the character in this string, and if that character is present, then we are reversing the string up to that character, and we are just returning our word string. So that was the solution. And if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to Khandelwal.